longwall face detects increasing carbon dioxide levels coming from floor cracks. Production in longwall 303 panel stops due to the elevated carbon dioxide levels at the tailgate end of the face. When the longwall deputy goes to investigate, the carbon dioxide level rises above the measuring range of his handheld gas detector. The longwall crew hear hissing sounds behind the face supports and notice that all supports along the face are yielding.
Hello friends, this project name is IoT based coal mine safety and equalization system. Here the components we have used are NodeMCU, which is main microcontroller, power supply through which we give power supply for all the modules, relay which acts as a switch, CPU fan, whenever gas detected it will rotate, buzzer, whenever gas detected it will activate. This is female jack through which we will give power supply using adapter. We need to plug in adapter here and we need to switch it on so that all the modules will power up like this. The indication for power up is glowing LEDs. This is MQ2 sensor through which it detects gases. So this is the main sensor we have used in this project. Now let us see the working. First of all, we need to connect NodeMCU to hotspot with the name project, and the password is 123456789. So if NodeMCU is connected, then it will show ESP E42BB4 is connected. So after that we need to create one project in Blink app. This is Blink app. If we open here, I have already created a project for this project. So now let us see how to create project for this by using Blink app. So first of all we need to log in, or else if we want to create new account we need to create new account. As I have logged in already, so I will press on login. So here I have given mail ID and the password is password we have to set. So after that we need to log in. So it will connect like this. After that, if we want to create new project, we need to click on new project and we need to give project name here. So here it will ask for hardware. So here we are using, so we need to select NodeMCU here. So if we scroll like this, it will show NodeMCU and we need to get OK. So after that, create. So one authentication will be sent to the login mail, registered mail ID, so that we have to place that authentication in the code and we need to dump. So here for this project I have already created one project ID and I have authentication code and I have mentioned that in program. So here we have used LCD to show the gas values. So coal mine safety system is the title. Gas level is normal and gas level, that is gas percentage, how much percentage it is having gas in this environment. So 16%. So if it is normal, it is normal. So here I am using sanitizer bottle to show the output. So as it is also having order. So I am placing MQ2 sensor on this like this. If it detected, it will glow one LED. So here it will display gas level is high. So fan will rotate and buzzer will be given. Buzzer will be given, fan will automatically rotate. After some time it will be off. As the concentration is high, it will shows continuously that gas sensor is detected. So you can see normal levels, that is 49. Above 57 it will show as high gas level is high. This is the project overview. Thank you.